To pull knowledge from research, academics use literature reviews. The undisputed gold standard is the PRISMA protocol. The protocol is designed to be rigorous in zooming in onto a very specific topic and capture all available research on this topic. PRISMA was designed for researching medicines, like evaluating a specific drug, zooming in onto a single topic. While this can be a strength, it becomes a weakness for interdisciplinary topics, where you need to understand the connection between multiple topics. To review research more holistically, we developed a methodology specifically to review interdisciplinary topics, the Lotus Protocol. The Lotus Protocol describes how to systematically explore different fields and their key theories relating to your topic. This is to ensure you first see the whole picture and connections before zooming in. The Lotus Protocol is published in the Journal of Psychology and Marketing. The article provides practical steps for conceptual exploration, corporate curation, and contribution capture to create interdisciplinary review for better integrated solutions, to effectively address our grand challenges.